Hello, and welcome to Rocks and Rally. Now I've wanted to lower my Camaro for a while now, but doing so would push the rear axle to the driver's side just enough to be noticeable. So today we're making an adjustable Panhard bar out of the stock stamped steel one. Now there are two ways to make an adjustable Panhard bar. Double adjustable, you would use reverse thread nuts on one end, so that way all you have to do is rotate the center and you would bring both ends in or out. But since left-handed hardware is stupid expensive, I'm just going to do a single adjustable one. So as you can see here, I'm going to cut it down the center, right about these two lines, and I'm going to weld in nuts on each side. And then this all thread would go through the middle, and if I wanted it adjusted, I would just loosen up these jam nuts right here. I'll loosen them up, take one end off the car and rotate it in or out as much as I need to, and then reinstall it and then tighten down the jam nuts, and that would lock everything in place. So I bet there's many jank ways to do this, but I'm not just gonna weld the nuts in right on top like this. I don't like it, it's ugly. So I'm gonna go get the cutoff wheel and see if I can recess these nuts. So I was able to get one side in. You can see here. All I had to do was I used a couple hammers to widen out the railing, and then I just shaved a little bit off the bolts so that they would fit into the rail. So now this side's done, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this side. First, I gotta get this out of here. It's a bit stuck. There it goes. Sliver of metal chipped off the edge of the hammer. Hit me right in the webbing. Okay, let's see. It's pretty close. Yep, that'll do. Okay. Now to get them welded in. So I got these nuts welded in. And now, this side. And there you go. I'm gonna try and get some more weld on these just so they're stronger. Especially on the bottom of the bolt, down there. But I got to prevent the threads from getting messed up. So if you do decide to go this route, once you get your adjustments set in, go ahead and weld in the sections you cut out, and that should help prevent this from immediately bending. Before we swap this in, we're going to measure the axle alignment. The audio on this clip was a little windy, but the driver's side was 1 3/8 and the passenger side was 1 9/16, which put us about 1/4 inch off. this bar the same length as this one, so you can get a baseline. Perfect. So now we just gotta tighten down these nuts. Well, I'm not gonna tighten them down just yet because we're still gonna adjust it on the Camaro. All right, and now with our adjustable bar installed, let's go out and check the alignment. This side's 1 inch and 3/8. So we're about an 1/8 off, which is pretty dang close. Let's see if we can rotate it one more time and see if we can get it better. Alright, so I did the adjustments off camera because it took a little bit, but I was able to actually get it centered up with 2 rotations inward. And that put us at exactly 1 7/16 inches.
Now, I may sound smart, but I had a mullet most of my growing-up years, so I'm death trap qualified.
But like I said earlier, I'm not sure what this is going to hold up to. So I'm going to leave it like this for about a week or so, see how well it holds up, if it bends, if it comes out of alignment or something like that. And if everything holds together, then I'll come back and lower the car, cut some springs, and go from there. Thank you for watching Rocks and Rally. Stay tuned for more.